So the other night what we were doing is we were installing these fenders. I didn't really get a lot of content on that, but this is what we were installing on this car the other night. Like you just saw a little bit of it, then you heard the exhaust and whatnot. But it's a pretty clean car. But anyways, man, welcome back to the channel. You know, got this little rebellious Negro here.
I'm tired of this turf.
No, just playing. No, just playing. But nah, I got my homeboy here. He came by. He did the fenders. Like when you do this, you have to cut right here. I don't know who cut this right here, but it's pretty snug. You see that? Ain't no dirt get behind there. That thing pretty snug right there. Hide that thing pretty, cut it. And the fenders look pretty good on the car. Also, damn, am I even recording? Oh, I am recording. Also, he got MSS suspension.
Yep, MSS adjustable. Which I want to get for mine.
And I haven't rode in this car yet, but he said it still rides pretty comfortable. You gotta get this one off, or that one. And then he got Ray's, what's that?
Gram Light 57 CRs.
Gram Light 57 CRs. What kind of exhaust?
SP1.
You got the SP1 exhaust. You need to clean it, bro. Titanium, you got it all dirty, bro.
That's why I'm over here.
Yeah, you going to car meet tomorrow? You gotta clean it, bro. You got the chopped carbon wing spoiler, which I want to get for mine. I have the mirror caps. He's got this little gauge right here, the P3 gauge, which does you do ethanol content on it? No, you just do the air fuel,
coolant, oil, 0 to 60, shift light, throttle position, IATs.
Dang, you do a lot. Then he got all the chopped carbon stuff in here,
thanks to AMS,
along with all the chopped carbon mirror caps. So you got all the chopped carbon covers. Damn, that's a lot, bro. About 30 grand under the hood.
I'm rich, God!
Once that top mount go in.
Damn, baller shit, bro. Poor people rock stock Supras, you know what I'm saying? Got the, what is it, Virus?
Yeah, Verse.
Virus. I said Virus.
You dumb motherfucker!
Hey, man.
Bro, I'm illiterate. I got 8th grade education with a little bit of college. Nah, but this stuff is all... This stuff is clean, bro. This chopped carbon is clean.
Appreciate it.
But yeah, this... I never really liked black cars, but this one came out pretty good. This one's pretty clean. I don't like black cars because you always see the swirl in the sun and they get dirty all quick.
Yeah.
What you doing, bro?
About to replace these side markers with some paint match ones. And then hopefully...
You gotta take the other one off, bro. You about to... Bro, come on, bro. This dude said he's a mechanic.
Nah, I'm a fly-by-wire mechanic.
Back shade tree mechanic, bro. That's how we do it. I built many cars underneath that in my backyard, bro. You gotta take the whole bumper off?
Nah, I'm hoping not.
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, you gonna be able to pop that out?
Some said it's glue. May need to heat it out, or
I don't have an extension.
this right here looks like the 3mm, so I'm just going to
3M?
Yeah, probably just gonna separate it and just peel it off.
You're gonna have to clean that with some alcohol. I don't got no alcohol, bro. You about to peel it with a screwdriver?
Well, I'm gonna just break some of it off with the screwdriver and then go from there.
This is what happens when black people get Supras and not Scat Packs.
Mopar, no car, huh?
Nah, you about to destroy that. Oh no, it's coming apart. That screwdriver pretty sharp too, though. So
yeah,
I used to use that to shank niggas in prison. Nah, just use the screwdriver and do what you call it. Just go all the way around like this, bro. Like this way. Put it out here. Oh shit. This is just go down to the side. Right here. See, that's shit already coming out, bro. This is pretty good, bro. So don't burn your shit up.
You don't burn my shit up.
You better have insurance.
Alright, I'll do it from the back side. You don't have to get that shit. I don't fucking.
You know your budget building and you got on chancletas to work on the car.
These my house slippers, man. And hit this.